We're here. We made it. Wish me luck. We're gonna be pulling out, what is it? Row 4, spot 13. They're coming to a junkyard pull apart. All right, so I'll come down here. This is row 4, spot 15. And they're all up on like rims and stuff, so I should be able to pull this relatively easy. Getting a little anxious. Count. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I think we might be good, boys. This is it, I think. Oh, what kind of condition are you looking at? That's just the lower sleeve. I should have brought WD-40. But this won't be too bad to get out. I got a hammer. Got gloves. This is it, right? So 13 Chevy Equinox. Okay. We'll see how she goes. Wish me luck, boys. Wish me luck.